Good morning. Anyway, on this episode, we head to Monticello, Iowa, to their, I think it's the 34th or 36th annual swap meet in Monticello, Iowa. So it's been years and years since I've been to this one. Mitch, our buddy, he was behind us, but he peeled off and went a different direction. Anyway, he goes to this one all the time. So anyway, we're going to it today, and we're almost about there. And it's 33 degrees, so it's a little on the cold side, and we've just seen some of our first dusting of snow. Well, it was back there a ways, but anyway, here's some up in this field up here. So anyway, these poor people, they've had snow already, but anyway, it's not slowing us down. Hey, we're checking out the old junk on the way down. So, Blake, what do you think? You awake yet? No? No. Yeah, Blake was up kind of late last night, so.
I'm not acclimated to 33 degrees yet. Leave it to Iowa for it to be summer yesterday and right into winter today.
We're watching Roadkill Garage, which will make our trip shorter or probably longer in this case. Anyway, here we are. I don't think we've ever been here before.
No.
No. All right, let's look around.
Camera etiquette, Jay.
Here you go.
What? You're the producer
I got
of this
all
episode.
I got this.
No, Jay.
Damn it.
You can't give up that easily.
So, let's try to focus, all right?
All right. We'll be back if we see anything cool.
Six pounds of torque on those screws. Wore one back in '81.
What's up?
Hey, buddy. What are you doing?
Sitting here talking to a fellow tri-state racer that's been in the video before, who beat me.
Oh, jeez. How you doing? Oh, jeez.
All right.
Oh, I got that brake pedal.
Did you?
Yeah, $10. What the hell?
Right on.
How are you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Not bad. What do you got here? What's going on?
What's that thing?
Huh? A GoPro.
A what?
GoPro. Yeah, we're just filming the swap meet.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
sure.
see. Cool.
So, been a while. How you enjoying your retirement?
Oh, God, I love it.
Yeah? You're retired now, right, too? Or you're still there? Oh, my God.
Couple months.
That's not
Yeah.
right. Oh, you got a couple months? Oh,
End of
good.
the
There's
year.
some light at the end
End
of
of
the
the
tunnel
year.
anyway, huh?
Yep, there it is. He's pushed the button. For $1, and I sold the other for $1, but and we sold a couple coolers.
Yeah.
But I didn't think we'd sell on the whole thing.
No, they don't. Yeah, they don't put up. They do a lot of work. They do a lot of work. And then what they get, yeah.
Searching for a match. I like it.
$5 for everything in there. And don't, that carburetor cleaner works. Don't spray it, you're just wasting it. It works, I tried it twice.
I got one that I'm good.
It's a nice project for a guy.
pocket. You know what I think?
What?
We sell all the Mopar stuff
Yeah.
and switch the Chevy. It's so much easier to find parts.
Yeah.
There's a nice Simpson helmet, but it's outdated.
Oh, is it? What year is it?
05.
Oh,
And now Snell rating's 15.
might as well just throw in the fucking garbage.
Well, if you were just out on the street on
Right,
a
right.
motorcycle or something, would be great.
Right.
Hell yeah. Keep the bitch floored.
Keep the bitch floored.
All day, every day.
Run into these guys everywhere.
Yeah. Jump online, check us out at Keep the Bitch Floored.
Oh yeah.
Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, K2BF gear. All day, every day.
It's awesome stuff. Me and the wifey have some. Their hoodies are great.
Yeah.
I recommend spending the cash. Well, that was a nice little show. It kind of inspires me to try to start something in my hometown. It inspires me to start something in McGregor.
Right.
I mean, I was thinking about, man, it'd be cool to have a swap meet, but there's no parking. Well, there's no parking here, so look at, I mean, these people don't live here. This is all people parking around town to walk over. So, I mean, I realistically think we could pull something off like that.
What if you incorporated it with McGregor Car Show?
Right. You could do
Because that
that.
could be bunched up, you know, into a smaller area. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. And then you people bring the parts to us instead of us going to you.
Oh, no shit.
Sick of it,
That's
Jay.
the way to do it.
Anyway,
Bullshit.
Jay got his brake pedal for the Barracuda.
Yeah, I suppose. For $10, what the hell?
Can't beat it.
No. Just like a...
Ran into one of the guys from Keep the Bitch Floored.
Yep, he's a nice guy, huh?
Yeah. Full of energy.
Yep.
Wish I was.
Me too.
I'm just hungry and
Oh,
cold now.
I think I'm gonna barely make it to the truck.
Where's the truck?
It's behind those trees.
Oh, okay. So now we got a
Go to Cedar Rapids.
50-minute drive to Cedar Rapids, drop off this 360. Find something to eat along the way.
Sooner rather than later. I'm about ready to pass out from malnutrition.
Oh, jeez. And I don't know. I seen a tack, but I didn't pull the trigger on it. Seen some weld rims, didn't pull the trigger on it.
I've seen some solenoids, some door opening solenoids for $50. 2 of them. But you know, not for opening doors, but for doing other bitch work,
Right.
but remotely.
Found a really nice Simpson helmet, but it was outdated. Snell rating was too old, so it's basically worthless unless you wanted to use it as a motorcycle helmet on the street or
Yeah.
ATV or whatever.
What have you?
Because, you know, I bought the open face, or you got it for me for Christmas.
Right, right.
Open face helmet. Hell yeah. I'm going to be cool. Look like Dale Earnhardt. Nobody looks like Dale Earnhardt when they wear one of those. Only he could pull that off. I just look like a chipmunk. Squirts my cheeks out and
Yeah, funny.
so we're gonna continue on to the next chapter of today.
Yeah, get rid of that.
Well, I guess we're not getting rid of the 360 now. We just got messaged. Dude's father's in the hospital and not a good time, so no, I don't know. Do we drive over by the swap meet and say $200 360?
Oh, yeah. I mean, to who?
I don't know.
No, screw it.
All right. Oh. Well, I guess we're gonna go look for something to eat.
Right, let's do that.
Okay. Dad.
Good. Glad to meet you guys. Hey,
deal?
sticker.
There you go. Sticker for you.
Did you get to the swap meet yet or not?
No, I haven't gone there yet.
Oh, okay.
Yep, headed over there.
Yeah, that's slim pickings.
Pardon?
Slim pickings.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
figured it was. I got up this morning by 8 o'clock and I looked at the snow and it's like, yeah. So.
It's about 10 degrees warmer up where we're at, north
it?
of here. Yeah, now
Really? Well, you got the river.
yeah.
So.
But Jesus, we seen snow on the ground. Like fuck this, Jesus.
Yep.
It was like
Exactly.
summer yesterday.
Yeah, it was nice.
But there's a set of small block headers that are what?
They're kind of chintzy.
Yeah.
Headers ain't that much.
No.
But if you're looking for tacks and shit like that, there's plenty of that stuff.
Is there?
Yeah.
Yeah, just go check it out and see what's there.
And there's a guy with like B-body bucket seats with a jumper seat in the middle, and
Yeah.
they were recovered. They didn't look that great.
They didn't look too bad either, but
No.
$1,000.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
I got my the one Magnum's, the one with the T-top has a black leather, and that's got the buddy seat in the middle. I want to go counsel with that. So
Right.
if I can locate one of them, that'd be fine. But it's not no big deal.
No.
What year's a Magnum?
I got a '78.
Okay.
It's black leather interior with T-top.
Oh, nice.
That one's
Sounds
under
nice.
34,000 miles. That
Oh,
one,
really?
Bought it from a guy. His mom died. He had parked it in '98, and then there was a package deal on him.
Yeah.
The guy wanted to get rid of everything, so he also had a '79 GT black with
yeah.
a red leather interior council car. So
Okay, cool.
it's like, okay, well, he's in Lordstown, Ohio, and the price is right. So
Right.
that was a run.
Yeah.
I imagine.
Kids up in Michigan, so I
How
went
many
up
hours
there.
is that?
I don't know. We went to Michigan first. My son grabbed a trailer and we took off and went out there and got him, brought him back to Michigan, and I brought one back and went back later and got another one. So, well, good catching me, guys.
Yeah, you too, man.
Yeah, nice
We'll
meeting
swing
you.
by there sometime and stop by your place there.
Yeah, do that.
We haven't been up there in a while. We used to go over to La Riviera Horse Camp a lot,
Okay.
but we haven't been up there in probably 2 years now. So,
All right.
all right, man. Good luck with
All
everything.
right.
Talk to
Take
you.
it easy. Nice
Yep,
seeing you,
see ya.
man. Do you need another sticker or is one good?
You want to give me another one?
You got 2 cars.
I'll check it out. All right, man. You guys have a good one.
You too.
See you, buddy.
That's nice.
Well, he's a nice guy, wasn't he?
Dan's the shit.
Yeah.
I talked to him on the phone for about an hour one day.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we just couldn't, neither of us could shut the hell up. He's a good guy.
Yeah, he is.
Thanks for being a subscriber, man.
You bet.
We're back.
Yeah, and the sun came out
Mm-hmm. And it
right when
is
we got back.
42 degrees here.
Yeah, it's a lot nicer.
So, kind of a short, sweet swap meet video, I guess. I mean,
Uneventful. I mean, it was probably half the size that it normally is. Based on the weather, everyone was anticipating snow, which it did snow that morning, I guess, maybe an inch or so. And I'm sure that probably discouraged a lot of people from even going in the first place, so whatever. But anyway, we met some nice people, and
yep.
I picked up that automatic brake pedal, I guess, for
For the
the
Barracuda.
Barracuda. Yeah,
That'll be nice.
so that was good.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Found a pretty sweet tack that Jay didn't want us to buy.
Yeah, I've got a couple
And
tags
some
already.
sweet electronics that didn't want either.
Nah. Just want to keep it simple.
Oh, yeah, foot brake it.
So, you bet. So,
Yep, that's gonna do it. Tired.
yeah, I'll go take a nap.
Yep. So you guys take a nap too if you want.
Unless you already are. And wake up.
Yep.
And like, share, and subscribe.
There you go. Take it easy.
Yep.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
You